AndrewT is back. Hey guys, I'm your host as always, AndrewT, and we're here with another episode of AndrewT. Alright guys, today we're going to do an unboxing of the Echo Dot version 3.0. Alright guys, we're going to take a look at the Amazon Dot real quick. Let's open her up right here. So first we have the Amazon Dot itself. Then we have, of course, our literature, and underneath we have our cable. Okay, I mean, this is kind of a huge brick, you know. It's a 15-watt cable, and that's it. That's pretty much it, guys. You know, we have our big huge block of a cable, and then the Amazon Dot itself. And let's take it out of its nicely packed. Throw that away. So here we go. The Dot. It's a nice rubberized finish underneath. See that? Nice grip. It's gonna stop it from sliding off of almost any surface. The top of it is a nice pearl finish and has that nice shine like pearls. And then around it we have that fabric from the skin that you could put around the I think Echo 2.0. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure the Echo 2.0. But it's that nice fabric finish. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. Quick unboxing of the Echo Dot. Also, if you notice down below, we're part of the Amazon Associates program now. So if you click that link and decide that you want to buy an Echo Dot using that link, we get a percentage. Full disclosure, we get a percentage of those proceeds, and we can definitely use that to help out AndrewT. Thank you guys for watching this episode of AndrewT. I'm your host as always, AndrewT, and I hope you have a good one. Deuces.